Alright, YouTube. Today I gotta clean a Hoshizaki ice machine. Hopefully I got enough video, time on my glasses to shoot some video. I'm not gonna do an in-depth cleaning on this one. I'm just gonna show you my process on cleaning a large Hoshizaki machine like this one. So stick around. Okay, so this is it. Customer was nice enough to empty it for me. I told him Monday to empty it. So that's awesome. I had to empty the other one on Monday, and took a long time. Alright. So alright, there we go. I gotta go get my ladder and get ready to take care of this. Alright, actually what I'm going to do, the first thing I'm going to do is turn it on. Let it start to fill. And I'm going to grab some lime out, and yep, pour about 2 whole capfuls in the reservoir. Watch out for this stuff, boys and girls. You get this on you, it stings, hurts, burns, especially when you have awesome hands like this. It gets inside and it stings and burns and pain. It's awesome. Alright. Compressor starter, I'm going to put it to wash, and then switch this butterfly valve right here to clean. Now what that's going to do, it's going to circulate all up in there. I'll go get my ladder now. Alright, so what do you think of the van they got me in, huh? It's a rental. Mercedes. Pretty cool, huh? My alternator died and took a whole bunch of other stuff with it the other day at 70 miles an hour. It was beautiful. So I had to coast to a stop. Alright, so now, since I'm outside, and I've got the compressor and condensing units out here. I got my ladder that I'm bringing inside. All I'm going to do is come over here, stop on the way, climb up here, and blow these guys out with nitrogen and a brush while the machine inside is running through a clean cycle with the acid in it. So I'm going to go grab my brush and climb up there. Alright, get a 50-50 water and lime out mixture. I'm just going to spray. While I'm outside. Cleaning coils, do this. Good. Get it all. Now I'm also gonna spray inside the bin. Over here. All on the top and the inside of the bin. because all the nastiness likes to live up in there. So, get it all. Alright, hang that up here. Let's go brush out the coil. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, ow. Bitch. Alright, so I'm gonna bring my tank up. Now I'm gonna get up and blow all this out. You can see behind here in each side, and I'm just gonna blow this whole core. First I'm gonna brush it with my brush, and then I'm gonna clean it out with nitrogen. I'm gonna move my ladder over a little bit. I should just get up here actually. Oh shit. Okay. Alright, yeah. So I'm just gonna brush. Now inside, the machine's on wash. It's got the acid running through it. And we're just gonna make sure we clean this bad boy really good. Wear a mask. It helps. I'm in a rental van, so I don't have my mask with me. And just brush it all out. All the pollen, bird feathers, anything that's in there you want out. Alright, now I'm going to switch to my nitrogen. Bing. Short bursts works the best. Okay. Blown. Now to get down. This is the tricky part. Okay. So, there you go. Cleaned coil. I don't have my flashlight because, oh yeah, it's in the ceiling here. I left it in the ceiling on Monday when they cleaned the other machine. So let's get down and go get it. It's probably dead, but oh well. Okay. Put my nitrogen away and then we'll go inside. Alright, here's the other machine. And look at that. Here's my flashlight. Dead, but still there. Alright. Gnarly, huh? Look at the spacing for ventilation. Got to change the water filters. Okay, so I need to get my cheap flashlight out since my other one's dead. Unless I can swap. I might be able to swap batteries, but alright. Now, what we want to do, you can see it's pretty nasty, but I'm going to take the cover off, and I got to remove all the tiles from the ceiling so I can get down inside of her. So this is a tricky one, guys. Let's remove all this. I'm going to take this off from the blocks. So there's the insulated panel. Oops. There's more. You can see that. Gotta get washed. Okay. So I took out two. Let me see if I can get by with just two. Removing just two. I might have to move this one too. I don't know. But yeah. So here's the inside, even though it's dark. See if I can shine some light on it for you. Here we go. Here's the inside. And you can see the calcification and everything. You gotta remember to keep getting the shot right. You can see the inside. So I'm gonna pull all these parts out and start washing them in acid, take them to the kitchen, and then I'm gonna grab the Hoshizaki brush and brush the coils out. So I'm not going to film all that. I'm just going to do it and then show you what it looks like when I take all the parts off. Alright, so just to show you the inside. And up here. So we're going to get our Hoshizaki brush. First I'm going to spray more of my lime out. All down the coils. Evaporator coil here, especially down the back there. Okay, now I'm going to get my brush. And here it is, the Hoshizaki brush. 70 something bucks for this brush. Fucking me. Okay. So try to steady myself. Get my brush up in here. And you can see how I'm standing right now. I'm up on a 10-footer. And now I gotta get back here and get down inside. Like so. So that's what I'm gonna do. And I'll show you when I'm done. You can see I got it mostly to where I want it now. Sorry about the light, it's kind of dim. But I'm gonna rinse that off, brush all this down, and then wash all my internal parts in the sink in the kitchen. And then start her back up. So that's where I'm at right now, and I'll show you when I reassemble her. Alright, so there's a plug down in here. and you pull it out and all the water drains. See that? You'll hear it starting to drain. Can't see it because my flashlight's dead. Let me get my other one. Should be able to see it draining. Yeah, there we go. It's draining. Draining the machine. See that nastiness up in there? I gotta hit that again. Okay. Okay. So, I cleaned my thickness valve or whatever you want. I forget the exact name of that. But anyways, all my internals are clean. I'm going to put her back together and put her on the wash cycle to flush it out. Okay, so I've got it all nice and clean and back together again. I'm going to turn the butterfly switch to a closed or open position, turn it on ice, let it fill. There it goes, it's starting to fill. You can see it starting to fill right there. See how much better it looks now than it was when I got here. Not a super duper cleaning, but a cleaning nonetheless. Just gotta shoot some water down in there to clear out all that stuff or wipe it out. Take a rag and wipe it out. We'll let it fill, and then when the evaporator comes on, I'm going to shut it off and switch it to wash cycle. That right there, shut it off, close the butterfly switch, put it on wash, and here it goes. You can see now it's really moving the water through the coil. It's going to clear all that debris and everything down into the bottom, into the reservoir, and then I'm going to drain it. I'll do this 3 times and then run sanitizer through it. While I am doing that, while that's flushing, I will finish up washing the bin. Okay, flushed it 3 times, drained it. Now I'm going to add sanitizer. Now I'm just going to let that go for like a half an hour while I clear out the rest of the bin. And then that's it. You turn it on and it makes ice. Okay, so last flush going about. Now I am going to just wipe up all the crud. See all the leftovers? I'm gonna wipe all that out. See all that? You just gotta get all that garbage out of there. Getting close. You can feel the cubes on this side. You can feel how thick they are. You can tell that they're almost ready to drop. Here we go. Here goes the hot gas. See that? Yahtzee. Jackpot. Check the ice thickness. Good. That's it. This fucking douche. Fucking typing away on his fucking phone. Pardon my French, by the way. But look at him. Look at him. Texting away on his phone. And driving. He's gonna kill somebody. Crap like that is gonna kill people. Unreal. Oh boy. So that's that, guys. That was a Hoshizaki ice maker. I forget how many pounds that was. I think that was a 1,000-pounder. I'm not 100% sure. I have the office has the information, the serial numbers on file, so I didn't have to actually have to look at the serial numbers. So that's how I go about cleaning a big Hoshizaki ice machine. I think I'm pretty much done with ice machine videos. I pretty much beat that horse to death. So I think I'm gonna chill on the ice machine videos and try to get some better HVAC and other videos. Thanks again for tuning into the channel, guys. It's very gratifying seeing everybody that watches the channel and enjoys the videos. And if you want more, like, subscribe, keep checking back. I try to get a video out every week. Try on Thursdays and such, but it doesn't always work out that way, and that's very common for YouTubers. So, but what else? Just want to also just want to thank everybody for subscribing. The channel has grown. I think I'm up to 122 subscribers, and the past couple of months have just been like an explosion. I just really just want to say thanks, guys. It's freaking awesome. And hopefully I'll do some more videos with Max in them. And of course, I always got my knife videos. You know me, I'm a knife nut. I love collecting knives. I love buying new knives, doing reviews. So just saying thanks, and I hope you guys enjoy the videos and keep tuning in. Peace out, YouTube. Thanks for watching Max and me. I have got a probably hour drive back into Boston, and it's gonna be fabulous in rush hour traffic. So have a good night, guys. Peace out again.